Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I brought new updates regarding PhD admission in NIT Trichy for July 2022 session in full-time and part-time mode. So in this session I am going to cover you about the important information, important dates, what are the categories in which you can apply, additional eligibility criteria, procedure of selection, then how to apply. Here you can see they are inviting application for PhD program in the 5 category. First one full time. In that there are 3 category: half time teaching or research assistantship, in which you can get assistantship by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Second, externally funded, and third one non-stipendary. Second, part time. In that first one in survey internal scholar and external scholar. For the session starting July 2022 in the discipline of engineering and architecture, science, mathematics, physics and chemistry, computer application, management, and humanitarian social science. This is the link on which by clicking you can be redirected to application page by which you can apply. So applicants are advised to read all the information browser carefully before applying online. Educational qualification, basic eligibility criteria and general instruction are as follows. First one, lateral regular applicants. Applicants having master's degree going to complete their degree in 2022. If you are open caste, general EWS, OBC non-creamy layer category, then you must have 60% marks or aggregate marks, and in CGP you must have 6.5 in 10-point scale. For SC/ST and PWD category you must have 6 point or 6 point, and it is in percentage you must have 55%. Having get qualified in last 5 years from the closing date of application form. These applicants are eligible for all 5 categories of full-time and part-time PhD program. However, GATE equivalent score is not mandatory for applicants from industry or organization with R&D facility for admission into part-time external or industry organization with R&D facility category. Second one, direct applicants. If you are graduating BTech in 2022 or BArch in 2017 to 2022 batch and expected to complete in this year, then you can apply. But the eligibility criteria for open caste, general EWS, OBC non-creamy layer category, you must have 80% marks or 8.5 CGPA. For SC/ST category, you must have 75% criteria and 8 point CGPA in both UG and PG. All exams cleared in first attempt without any error or backlog. In addition, a qualified GATE or equivalent national level test score is mandatory for them. These applicants are eligible for full-time HTRA category in the architecture and engineering. Integrated applicants. This channel is meant for exceptionally outperforming applicants admitted through CCMT and currently completing their first year 2021-23 batch master program in MTech or MArch of the Institute NIT Trichy only with CGPA 8.5 up to second semester or having CGPA greater than that, and no course with grade less than C, along with BTech 4-year or BArch 5-year degree at UG level. If the applicants having open caste, general EWS and OBC non-creamy layer, you must possess 60% marks or CGPA 6.5, and if they are SC/ST or PWD category, you must have 55% mark or 6 CGPA. Selection, it will be done through initial screening of application, means first you will shortlisted, then written test will be taken, and interview, then counseling. All are to be online or offline depending on the situation. Only shortlisted candidate will be notified on institute website at every stage. They have cleared that if you are fulfilling eligibility requirement, this doesn't guarantee that you will be shortlisted for written test or interview. If the application is too much, then individual departments set up the criteria for selection, means how much the percentage they will put for shortlisting. Next one, also they have cleared that mere appearing in offline or online written test, interview, counseling process doesn't guarantee for final selection. It's all your sole responsibility to be present in offline or online written test, interview, counseling process on scheduled date and time. Institute will not entertain any request for waiver or change of schedule under any circumstances. There are limited seats available with institute fellowship from Ministry of Education or fellowship from other funding sources and sponsored and consultancy projects or faculty members in respective specialization and other administrative procedure. Admission will be purely provisional, subjected to confirmation that you must satisfy prescribed eligibility conditions, including verification and other original qualifying degree certificates and related document. Limited hostel accommodation available. Next one, these certificates you must keep with you: 10th and 12th mark sheet, passport size photograph, signature of applicants, then mark sheet of last semester, community certificate, EWS certificate, GATE certificate, a sponsorship certificate, a statement of purpose, at least 2 letters of recommendation. These all things must keep with you during online applying. If you are filling any wrong entries, then it may redirect it to cancellation of your application without returning your fees. Reservation for general EWS, OBC, non-creamy layer, SC/ST, PWD category. Institute follows the reservation criteria of Ministry of Education, Government of India. If selected, all the documents will be verified during physical reporting for admission. If anything found wrong, your candidature will be cancelled. You have to visit college website regularly for all important updates. While filling online application, attention must be paid to following. Application are requested to apply online only. No hard copy for full-time candidate. Hard copy of application need to be submitted by part-time or internal applicants only. More details are in later pages. You have to fill your CGP or percentage correctly, otherwise it may lead to cancellation of your candidature. Online application submitted by application will be considered final and binding. Request for correction will not be made in any circumstances. Additional instruction to applicants with integrated BTech and MTech degree. Applicants with dual degree are advised to fill up the academic qualification till last semester or up to 8th semester. Postgraduate degree, fill up the CGP or percentage of marks of 7 to 10th semester, year of passing 10th semester examination year. You have to pay 1,000 rupees for processing of application if you are open caste or general EWS or OBC non-creamy layer, and it is 500 for other SC/ST or PWD candidate. You have to pay the payment through SBI iCollect. This is the important dates. It is already started from 25th of April and last on 27th May. Tentative schedule for written test 6th to 17th June 2022. These are the category: full-time research scholar, in which you will be paid assistantship 31,000 and 35,000. And under this category, you are also eligible for PMRF fellowship. Second category, external funded research scholar. If you have qualified NET conducted by AGC, CSIR, TST, DI, NVHM, then you will also get fellowship from this conducting institution. A sponsored research and consultancy project with individual departments or faculty. And next one, non-stipendary, in which you will have to bear all the expenses during your PhD programs, and no financial assistance will be provided. Next one, part-time research scholar, in-service internal research scholar, and in-service external research scholar. The admission process already I have told you. For category 3.1A, full-time STRA, you must have the number of seats under this category in various departments each as per the following seat distribution matrix stipulated by Ministry of Education. Candidates selected under this category will be called as either lateral or direct, those who have just completed their BE, BTech or BR, and lateral if you have purchasing master's degree, or integrated, those who currently completing their first year master program of the institution of NIT Trichy only. All lateral, direct and integrated candidates are admitted through same process. and they compete for admission equally. They have mentioned 31,000 for first 2 years and 35,000 for remaining 3 years. This is the seat matrix for architecture. Total 8 seats, chemical 8 seats, chemistry 7, civil 13, computer application 8, computer science and engineering 10, electrical electronics 11, electronics communication 13, energy 3, humanity and social science 5, instrumentation and control total 7, management studies 7, mathematics 13, metallurgical and material 8, physics 6, production engineering 11. So total 146 are 6 seats are there. There are some additional eligibility criteria also, which you have to fulfill. These all are all things. In short, I have already told you, so there is no need to again read all this information. This is the additional eligibility criteria. Means in short, I am telling you, if you are applying for mechanical, then your bachelor or master's degree must be in mechanical related discipline only, mechanical or mechanical related, either your BE Tech and MEM Tech. These all things are same. Your both bachelor and master's degree will be in same discipline, and you must have qualified GATE in last 5 years. This is the link to applying. This is the important dates already I have told you. This is the research areas. You have to select any 2 or 3. You can apply it for 3 departments also. This is the certificates which you require. I will upload the link in description box by which you can download this information browser. So that's all about today's update. Subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed till now. Then share it with your friends also. Thank you. Have a nice day.